For decades, private banking was a fortress. Old money, old rules, and predictable advice: stocks, bonds, real estate. But that world is changing fast. Blockchain technology and digital assets like cryptocurrencies are building a new fortress right next door. This isn't just a new investment. It's a fundamental shift in how we think about money. For the first time, value can be owned and transferred digitally. No bank required. That's powerful. That's disruptive. High net worth individuals see the potential and refuse to sit on the sidelines. The old guard of wealth management must adapt or risk irrelevance. Boardroom conversations have shifted from if to how fast to get into crypto. The pressure is coming from clients, smart, successful, and watching fortunes made in digital assets. They're asking their advisors, "What's my crypto strategy?" A blank stare means a lost client. We're at a crossroads. Traditional finance on one side, dynamic digital assets on the other. The future belongs to those who build a secure bridge between them. Private banks that get this will thrive, guiding clients into a new era of wealth. The walls aren't just crumbling, they're being redesigned. The question is, who will lead the way? The answer is already unfolding. Big banks once dismissed Bitcoin as a fad, but when enough money moves, even giants pay attention. Now, institutions like Bank of America are recommending crypto allocations to their wealthiest clients, 1 to 4% of a portfolio in crypto, monumental for a conservative bank. The approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs changed everything, making crypto accessible through familiar channels. Now clients can buy Bitcoin ETFs as easily as Apple stock. Institutional money is flooding in, making Bitcoin ETFs one of the largest asset classes in the ETF market. This isn't a test run, it's a coordinated industry shift. Wall Street's giants know to manage the world's wealth, they need a smart crypto strategy. The old rules are gone. Adapt or be left behind. A new class of millionaires is emerging, built on blockchain, not Wall Street. Crypto millionaires have surged by 40% in a year, now nearly 250,000 strong. They're younger, tech-savvy, and expect digital expertise from their advisors. When they walk into a bank, they're not just clients, they're a test. Can you help me manage my digital wealth? 2/3 of wealthy investors are switching banks if their advisors can't answer crypto questions. Client loyalty is no longer guaranteed. Banks must adapt or risk losing multi-million-dollar clients. The future belongs to those who serve the new millionaires next door. Ignore them, and you're out of business. Private banks are racing to offer more than just Bitcoin ETFs. High net worth clients want seamless integrated platforms, one place for stocks, bonds, real estate, and crypto. They want to trade across all assets instantly and securely. Crypto-backed lending is a game-changer. Borrow cash using Bitcoin as collateral, without selling and triggering taxes. Advanced products like crypto derivatives and structured notes are now on offer for sophisticated investors. These tools let clients hedge, diversify, and strategize with digital assets. Private banks are matching the sophistication of traditional finance in the crypto world. It's not just about access, it's about strategy and service. The message is clear. Digital wealth deserves institutional-grade solutions. The bar has been raised. Only the best will keep these clients. Crypto's biggest barrier? Trust. Stories of hacks and lost fortunes make investors wary. Private banks have what crypto lacks: centuries of trust, regulation, and security. Now, they're leveraging that trust to bridge clients into digital assets. Institutional-grade custody solutions, ultra-secure digital vaults are being built, often with top tech partners. Advanced cryptography and multi-layer security protect client assets. For wealthy clients, knowing their crypto is safe with a trusted bank is a game changer. Private banks are becoming the custodians of digital wealth. They're taming the wild frontier of crypto, bringing it into the safe, regulated world. The promise growth potential without sleepless nights. Reserve farm intended loladibur. Berdan snama fonda stitcher babur. Idastin kran squiridic city bay. Rain sama kuwanesbam will be your fender, will be your fortress. That's the value private banks bring to the digital age, and it's what clients demand. The future of wealth management is hybrid, traditional finance and blockchain, side by side. Private banks will be fluent in stocks, bonds, Bitcoin, and DeFi. The line between old and new assets will blur into one unified portfolio. Imagine tokenized real estate, loans backed by both stocks and crypto, and seamless trading across all markets. Your banker becomes your guide through this complex landscape. Their values secure custody, sophisticated lending, seamless trading, and expert advice. The industry must innovate or fade away. The best of both worlds is the new standard. The future is smarter, safer, and more dynamic. And it's already here.